What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is the L&JShaveCrave, and as you can see, you guys caught me in the middle of a pre-shave application. This is just to get the video to move faster. Okay, so what I'm bringing you guys today is from Zingari Man. I just got the order delivered today by USPS, and I'll tell you what, I've been waiting for this for maybe a little under a week, so it got to me pretty fast. And let's dive right into it. We'll start with the soap. I ended up buying Zingari Man's The Gatherer. It's right here, okay? And let me tell you, right out of the gate, from opening it and smelling it, this makes you want to get butt, booty, asshole naked and jump into a river because it's that good. I ain't even playing. Alright? It's that good. This is one of those scents that you would buy like 3 or 4 or 5 tubs out of, you know what I mean? Like, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy another one. That's how good it is. And the top notes, I believe, these are peach, bitter orange, and musk. And I'm going to tell you what. I had Lucy smell it and her sister. And they both loved it. Like, it's that good. And I also bought the recovery splash right here. Okay, I'm going to be using that at the very end, and we're going to be, well, actually, if you guys didn't already know, I applied the Parasso Blue Pre-Shave because it's now officially my favorite, like 110. I also purchased both of her new brushes. Here's the vintage looking sign, or I said label. It's really dope. And we're going to be using the not so normal typical thing I would use, and that's the synthetic version of the brush. This is it. It's actually engraved. Her Zingari Man logo is engraved into that. I think it might have been laser etched. But this is a heritage style brush. I believe it's a 26 millimeter, and it's a synthetic. I do have the Badger, and that's a fan knot as well. So we're going to be using this, and the color green. Oh, dude, it just pops. And then that vanilla color is like old school vintage, you feel me? So we're going to get to that right now. We're going to be using the Captain's Choice Shave Bowl. Okay, because I love this one, the copper bowl. And we're going to go straight to the sink. And just wet the brush. I haven't used the synthetic in a cool minute, but I'm glad I'm using the synthetic first for this shave. Okay. Well, let's get to lather. Like I tell you guys, the scent's a 10 out of 10. Like, it's extreme. It's that good. I'm definitely gonna buy another few tubs and recovery splashes of this because it's that good. Like I said, if you want to get butt, booty, asshole naked and jump into a river, that's how good it is. Even if it's cold, man, still do it. Let me add some more water. Okay, it's amazing, and it lathers easy. It takes only seconds. I mean, I already got a lather. I just want to get a little more hefty with it, you know. Okay, you guys can see it's super shiny, nice and thick the way that I like it. No need for the wiggle in the lather. Straight up, let's paint it. If I didn't already tell you guys, I'm going to be using an old school razor, vintage, to go with this. I'm going to be using the old grungy looking Fat Boy. Okay, and I'm going to be using an Astro Blade, which has now become one of my favorites. So let's get to it. Instantly, I already love the brush. It's just so soft, smooth, and that smell. Holy shit. Babe, can you smell it from over there?
Yeah, I can, actually.
Lord Jesus, I thought so. Alright, ladies and gents, if you guys are looking for a new combo to buy, this is it. This outweighs a lot of the soaps that I've tried. Zingari Man always comes up with something delicious. I mean, this makes you want to eat it, but don't eat it. It's soap. But okay, I might have tasted that, but it's not bad. Look at how that lather is. It's super shiny. It's not even super thick, but it's perfect right in the middle. Okay, now, and it feels heavy with that lather too, so this is just fantastic. Let's put that down. Let's go ahead and pop this blade open and stick into the Gillette Fat Boy. I believe this one is a 1959. I'm not sure, but I'll have to do a little more digging around on this razor. Okay, you see, it's a bit grungy, but I'm going to use it today on setting 9. Okay, let's go for it. First pass. I mean, every time I use this razor, it's that quick. Tried and true, you know what I mean? Perfect shape, I swear to you guys. Wash this off and get to the top stash. This is my problem area now. Instead of my chin. In my last video, as you guys can see, I did slice myself pretty good. If you guys are wondering why I don't have a shirt, it's because I'm fresh out the shower. I figured what a great time, you know, to do a shave. Well, damn, setting 9 with an Astro blade, kicking butt. So let's go for the next pass. I'm gonna put some water on my face. That smell just keeps kicking, bro. I can smell it. Oh, like it's that good. Makes you want to drink it almost. Bro, okay, all right. Well, Zingari Man hit it out of the park with this one. And I can't be more grateful to her. Because like I said, it's a lady-owned company. I just wish I knew her name. But I will input her name in the video so you guys know who she is. She's amazing. She's a great artisan. And I mean great. Oh, dude. This is my favorite scent. Like, this is it. If I found my scent, this is it. I mean, on top of that other one, the Master, the dark and spicy barbershop scent from Zingari Man. This has become the official S.O.T.D favorite right here, bro. You guys need to pick up a combo and her brush. Or brushes, because she has like 3 different kinds. The handle's great, the color's great, everything is just ergonomically comfortable. Okay, let's go against the grain. And if you guys don't already know, Rocknell just dropped their SE razor. So it's a Rocknell SE Sailor razor. I'm not sure, but they just dropped it and it's on their website. But Bull Goose will be getting a small batch in. So if you guys are interested, keep a lookout for Bull Goose's emails. If you guys are signed up, I'm definitely going to be picking one of those up. I've never had a single edge before. Something to definitely try. Babe, that smell, can you still smell it?
Yeah, it's pretty strong.
Bro, and it's not like overly strong, it's just perfect. Taking it easy on there. Already, that was fast. That literally concludes the shave. It's a BBS with a old school vintage Gillette Fat Boy. As you guys can see there. Let me see if I can turn that on again. Yeah. Look at that. It just knocked off that whisker like nothing. So let's wash this off and slap on that recovery splash. Because boy oh boy, I'm looking forward to that. If you guys have any questions, I'll have more info in the description below about all of these items I have. Definitely go check out Zingari Man. She's amazing. Okay. Well, if that's done, let's get one of these. Using that Lancaster Razorworks towel. Oh, looks like I got some blonde. Thanks, babe, for leaving that blonde hair over here.
You're welcome.
She did her hair the other day and came out pretty awesome, actually. Okay, so let's go do the recovery splash. Okay, here it is right here. Boom. Dude, it smells like you can eat it. It smells like food, bro. Ugh. I'm gonna put a little extra because it's that damn good. Putting it everywhere. Ah, fuck it. Let's put it there too. Now, this is a definite buy. Please go check her out. Her brushes are amazing. Boy, oh boy. That's just my next love right there. Oh. And the recovery splash has no burn whatsoever. Oh, and it makes your skin feel nice and soft. Bro, that's so good. Yeah, okay, so let's see. Do a quick recap. This is the Zingari Man, the Gatherer. This is the combo right here, okay? Boom, you guys need to buy it. There's no question about it. For pre-shave, I used Paraso Blue in a super nice glass. And we used an Astra in the Gillette Fat Boy 1959 on setting 9, okay? And then we used the Captain's Choice Copper Shave Bowl with the Zingari Man brush. Boom, there it is, ladies and gents. Bam, it's that good. So this does conclude the shave. I can't believe I did it this fast. But thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for all the views and the subscribers. Boy, I didn't ever imagine that much. I know it's not a lot, but to me it's a lot, okay? And I appreciate that. So, like I said, thank you guys for watching. This has been the L&JShaveCrave. Please check out Zingari Man. She's awesome. She's amazing. Her scent, the Gatherer, it's out of this world, bro. You guys need to buy it. It's even for ladies. I mean, my girl, she's gonna use this like out of control, I guarantee you, especially with this synthetic brush I got right here, which she's gonna be using a lot. She likes these better. We're probably gonna go through that tub kind of quick, I think, but I'm definitely gonna have to buy another few tubs. I'm serious, another few tubs. And thank you, Zingari Man, for the products, and you'll definitely be hearing from me again. Like I said, butt booty asshole naked. That's how good it is. All right. So y'all check it out on her website. It's available now. So are her brushes, and don't forget that recovery splash. All right. Peace out.